Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm showing you a quick 2 ways to integrate Microsoft Excel to n8n. If your Excel file lives in OneDrive or SharePoint, this method uses Microsoft Graph. First, you want to head to portal.azure.com, go to Azure Active Directory, and then App Registrations, and then New Registration. Give your app a name and click Register. After it's registered, copy the client ID and tenant ID. Then you want to go to Certificates and Secrets and create a new client secret and copy that too. Now give the app permission to access your files. Go to API permissions and then Microsoft Graph, then delegated permissions and add files.readWrite, sites.read.all, and then offline_access. Then you want to click Grant Admin Consent. Now this is the step where you switch to n8n, go to Credentials and choose Microsoft Graph OAuth 2 API. Paste your client ID, tenant ID, and client secret, then hit Connect. From here, you can use either the HTTP request node or any Microsoft Excel compatible nodes to access your workbook. And here's an example URL. And you can feel free to pause at any point, of course, and copy this. Use it in the HTTP request node to start reading or writing to your Excel file. Now, there's actually another method that is much simpler if the Excel file is on your computer. So in n8n, you need to add a read binary file node, point it to your .xlsx file. Next, add a spreadsheet file node, set the operation to read and choose from binary file. Then link it to the output of the read binary file node. You now have access to your Excel data in a structured format. From here, you can send emails, make API calls, or even update databases, all based on the spreadsheet rows. This video is helpful. Give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.